quiet, like I said. So the very first test I want to run on it is an easy test. And that is plug in a light. So we'll plug in a light. See the lights on? Okay. Now it's not on Econ. What I want to do is plug in a 1500 watt heater. Let's see if it can handle this heater. Let's see if you can see this heater. Okay. There's the plug in there. You can see on the bottom is there you go. It's made by Glasgow. I believe I picked them up at Lowe's a few years ago. Okay. Green light, check. Okay, we got it set to 90. Logging down. She's throwing hot air. Oh yeah, she's throwing hot air all night. Oh yeah, she's hot. Still running, still running. 1500 watts. She's drawn, and she's throwing heat. That's good enough for me right now. That's good enough for me right now. I'm going to try something different now. Guys, coming back at you. We're looking at an air conditioner that goes in your window. It's the smallest one you can buy at Walmart. I don't know what the wattage is of it, and I don't have a clue whether or not this inverter by Craftsman 3000i can handle it. So I'm going to turn on the air conditioner. And we'll have to set it to mode. There. And then we're going to have to set There you go. This remote actually works. I just pushed it down to 71. I'm going to bring it down to 63. That's as low as it'll go on this air conditioner. And it is throwing cold air. Given enough power. So that's what you want. If it's summertime or wintertime, this inverter by Craftsman 3000i inverter can actually work. Now it says it will run for at least 2 hours at full load. I can hear the air conditioner. Air conditioners. I feel very cold air. I can hear it working. And the inverter's still running good. No lights that say that it's overloaded or anything. Subscribe out.